Hey folks, Mike and McGee here. We have my daughter's greenhouse built and finished and looking good. What we want to do now is take two full-length gutters and have them coming across the entire length of this building, and we're going to try to grow strawberries in it and maybe other things depending on the availability of strawberry plants. So let's get these gutters up here and see how this goes. Got them stair-stepped. If it works, it's going to be beautiful with this strawberry stair-stepping down through here. So now it's time to get some soil together and get it filled up. We're going to have to drill holes in this thing so that the water coming off here don't just fill it up. I'm hoping that this water, when it rains real heavy, will overshoot them and not fill them up completely, that the slow drips will come on in. This is strictly an experiment. We'll see how it works. Folks, today is the first day to actually get to pick berries. We're pretty excited about that. It's about 45, 46 degrees out here right now, pretty chilly. It's what we call blackberry winter right now. It's one of the last cool snaps before spring officially gets here with full force. And so as you can tell, these berry plants are quite young. They will receive a lot more attention, and the berries are always smaller the first picking, so they will get better, but I wanted to show you this. So if you have access to any type of gutter like this, help yourself. You can put it up on anything. It doesn't have to be on a greenhouse. It can be on the side of your house, the side of your apartment. It doesn't have to be a 24-foot long gutter. It could be absolutely anything. It could even be pots like what we've got on the inside of this greenhouse. So hope this is something that you could actually try for yourself and enjoy. It's not anything extremely difficult. But that's all we've got for you today. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.